designed and developed by this cluster at ARD Pune, and this gun has was successfully designed, developed by DRDO, produced with two industry partners, that is Messrs Bharat Forge Limited and Tata Power ACD. Both the guns prototypes are ready. They have been tried out and they have performed as per the specification and as per our expectation so far.
टाइट करना है ना? हाँ, टाइट कर दो। अब इसको टाइट करो सर। हाँ, फुल टाइट कर दो। करो करो करो। हाँ हाँ हो रहा है। हो रहा है। घुमाओ 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 घुमाते रहो घुमाते रहो। हाँ हाँ घुमाओ 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 घुमाओ। हाँ घुमाओ घुमाओ और घुमाओ। पार्किंग ऑफ कर रहे हैं, बाकी सगळं टोइंग मोड मध्ये उधर वाला खुल गया साहब। और धक्का भी नहीं कर रहा है, तभी एसपी वाला टाकायचं ना। और थोड़ा सा घुमाओ। बस हो गया साहब। मी चालू फोन ठेवा, काही करू नका। फोन मन करू नका। तरी इसको पूरा लगेगा। इसको ऊपर करना है, इसको पूरा सीधा। हां वेक्टर भी ऑफ करना है इधर। बोलो साहब।
See, all these towed artillery guns are basically defined with respect to their caliber, and as I said, ATAG is a 52 caliber gun, as against Bofors, which we have imported, was a 39 caliber gun, and Dhanush, which is a upgraded version of Bofors, is based on the Bofors platform, has come to a 45 caliber gun, and this gun represents 52 caliber gun. And when we call 52 caliber gun, 155 into 52 is the length of the barrel, and that decides the capability of how far you can hit with the such guns.
How far?
This gun can go up to 45 kilometers plus. It can reach a target at 45 kilometers or beyond. anything which you can do yourself. Definitely it may cost you initially at par or maybe slightly more also, but in the long term when you do a system in house and within the country, definitely it goes a long way. It is much economically viable, and on top of it, it gives you the capability to design any variant of such systems. Now this gun is ready, and if user desires that some additional features to be added into this, we are fully competent to tweak the design of this gun and make it happen as per the user requirement, which is not possible when you import the system. So I would say that the cost wise, you should not see the actual cost what we have incurred in this, but I am very sure this cost will be much lower than what we are paying for the import of such systems. About this gun system, I would say user is very enthused about this system. They are exploiting the system to the fullest potential, and I am very sure with our own design and development, this gun would come up to the expectation of user. And if anything additional needs to be done, we are fully competent to add those features into this gun and make it happen that this gun comes up to the expectation of the user, our Indian Army, and it should work well with that.